Hey there, savvy shoppers. It's your ultimate Black Friday guide here, and boy do I have some jaw-dropping deals to share with you today. Whether you're shopping for yourself or looking for the perfect gifts, we've got you covered. If you thought Black Friday was over, think again, because the deals just got even better. Retailers are pulling out all the stops to make sure you get the best prices of the year. First up, let's talk tech. This year, tech deals are hotter than ever. Over at Amazon, the Apple AirPods Pro are now slashed to their lowest price ever. These are a must-have for any tech enthusiast. We're talking about a whopping 50% off. That's right, half off on one of the most popular tech gadgets out there. So if you've been waiting to grab those, now is the time. Imagine the joy of unboxing these premium earbuds. Next, for all you fashionistas out there, we have some incredible news. Nordstrom has upped their game with an extra 25% off on top of their already insane discounts. This is the perfect opportunity to refresh your wardrobe. I mean, seriously, you can snag that designer jacket you've been eyeing for months at a fraction of the price. It's practically a steal. Don't miss out on these high-end fashion deals. And let's not forget about home essentials. Your kitchen deserves an upgrade too. Target has rolled out an additional 20% off on all their kitchen appliances. From blenders to coffee makers, everything you need to make your kitchen more efficient is on sale. Imagine finally getting that top-of-the-line blender for your holiday smoothies and treats. Yes, please, your holiday cooking just got a whole lot easier. Oh, and gamers, you're not left out. This is your moment to shine. Best Buy has knocked down prices on the latest PlayStation 5 bundles. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just getting started, this is the deal for you. I know, I can hardly believe it either. These deals are too good to pass up. It's time to upgrade your gaming setup without breaking the bank. Get ready for an immersive gaming experience. But hey, Black Friday isn't just about buying things for yourself. It's also about spreading joy. It's also the perfect time to grab gifts for your loved ones. Show them how much you care with thoughtful presents. Sephora is offering an extra 30% off on their best-selling beauty products. This is a great chance to pamper someone special. So, why not spoil someone special with that luxurious skincare set? Let's not overlook Walmart, where the deals are just as enticing. Walmart is offering massive discounts on everything from electronics to toys. It's a one-stop shop for all your holiday needs. Seriously, if you have kiddos to shop for, this is your chance to become the holiday hero. Make their holiday season unforgettable with the perfect gifts. Now, what's the best way to keep track of all these amazing deals? Stay organized and make sure you don't miss out. Easy! Just click the link in the description for a detailed list of today's hottest Black Friday steals. Bookmark it, and check back often for updates. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these. The best deals are just a click away. Alright, that's a wrap for today's Black Friday extravaganza. I hope you found this guide helpful. Hit that like button if you're pumped about these deals, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible shopping tips and tricks. Happy shopping, everyone. Catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for more amazing deals and shopping advice.